Alright, writing and solving equations. So, with 1, reading through it, Sam makes $400 per week plus $20 commission on each cell phone plan she sells. Write an equation to determine how many new cell phone plans she sold to earn $680. How many new? So, what is X? Well, X, I've kind of told you. What are you looking for here? So, we'll do that in red. X is how many new plans. Number of new plans. So, we have the number of new plans times X plus the 400 that she makes equal to her total. So let's try this. So 20x plus 400, and our total is this. Total. Usually the bigger number. That's your total, so 680. So here's your equation. 20x plus 400 equals 680. That's what you'd be writing. Alright? So Eric has a dog walking business. He charges $13 per dog and $6 for the water. Let's highlight the whole thing. He buys. If he made 97 on Monday, write an equation to find the number of dogs he walked on Monday. So what is X? X is what we're looking for. So X equals number of dogs. So money per dog times X plus the water should equal the total. Our total will be, so he charges $13 per dog, 13x plus 6 for the water equals, and our total will be 97. Alright, so that's how you guys should be asking yourself, what is the total? Alright, so Rena swims every day. She burns approximately 10.6 calories per minute and 15 calories warming up. Write an equation to find how many minutes she must swim to burn 205.8 calories. So, what is X? X is what we're looking for. So, to find what? Number of minutes. So, which number links up to minutes? Calories per minute. So, calories. So, calories per minute times X plus the warm-up is going to equal your total. So, $10.6x plus 15 equals, that's our total, all of it. That's what she's going for, right? 205.8. Alright, that's how you solve it, or write it, and then you would solve. Alright, this one I'll give you a hint, but I'm not going to write it out for you. A cell phone company charges $10 per month for up to 500 text messages, and 15 cents for each additional text. Stanley was charged $14.50 last month for text messages. Write an equation to find the number of text messages over, so the number of text messages over the 500 he sent and received. So our question was right here, or what it's asking. What are we looking for? The number of text messages. Okay? So your number of text messages is your x. So how much do they cost? That's what's connected to x. Plus the fee, right? So try and write that out with the numbers that we have. Find out which each one of those is. Number 6. Which of the following makes the equation true? So let's solve it. Plus 8 plus 8. That's our first step when we're solving for x. 4x equals negative 4 plus 8. What is that? That's a positive 4. Different signs. You subtract the two numbers. So hopefully now we can start to see it. But let's pretend we don't. 4 times x, so we're going to divide by 4. So x equals 1. So let's check that. Let's just take this and plug in 1. Plug in a number. So the original equation is this. 4x minus 8 equals negative 4. Alright, so 4 times 1 minus 8 equal negative 4. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, minus 8 equal negative 4. 4 minus 8, negative 4. Oh, alright. We got it. Check. That's what we wanted. So my answer here is C. Alright, I'll solve 2 of these for you. So I'll solve B and D, which are 2 of the harder ones. A and C I'll leave up to you. So my first step for B, we have a minus 18, so we plus 18 on both sides of that equation. So what am I left with? I'm left with 4C equals 6 plus 18, 24. Okay. Now, a lot of you guys are good at starting to see what it might be, but try and finish out your steps before we start guessing or saying what the answer is. See, 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay, let's try this one now. Subtract 3. Get rid of addition and subtraction first. That's usually what you're going to do. There's few instances when that's not the case. 7x equals, now 17 minus 3 is 14. Now I'm going to, that's a negative 7 being multiplied, so I divide it. Again, x equals negative 2. I didn't check these. You guys can do that, but those are your answers for now.